I'm Rhiannon Schmidt, and today we're going to explore different ways to enhance student learning using technology. A lot of the teachers today have smart boards, document cameras, wireless tablets. The schools have computer labs and laptops for the students to use. But what is the one thing you see everyone using and they can't put down? Cell phones and tablets. And what is the one thing you can do on both of these devices? Download apps. Most of the apps that we have on our cell phones or tablets are games. But there are a lot of apps out there that can be beneficial to our students. I'm going to show you 5 different apps that I found that can be helpful to our students. And yes, all of the apps I found are free. The first app I'm going to show you today is called Spell With Me 2. Menu for Spell With Me 2, it has different categories. It has 3- and 4-letter words, or you can pick the category that has all of them. We'll just pick one. It's going to give them a picture, and they're going to have to come and spell the word. If they come up here and misspell the word, it's going to take away the letter that is incorrect and leave all the correct letters. That way it'll be easier for them. If they get a picture that they don't know, they can hit this question mark, and it'll give them some letters and then make it easier for them to spell it. Teachers can use this app, put it on their smart board for the kids to come up and spell out the words, or they can even use it as a quiz, just having the pictures and hitting the next button and coming up with another picture. The next app I'm going to show you is iLive Math 1, 2, 3, 4. The iLive Math 1, 2, 3, 4 main menu. This app has the 4 basic math operations. It has addition and subtraction, a little bit harder addition and subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you hit the random button, you're going to get word problems and computational problems. If you hit this box, it's going to give you your answers to choose from. You click on one, hit submit. It's either going to give you a check if it's right or an X if it's wrong. This one's wrong, so we need to go back in and change our answer. Hit submit, and there we have our green check. We go to the next button. Here's a computational. You go down again, find your answer, click submit. This blue button up here is to refresh if you want to start over. This button right here is to email. You can email the results. It's going to give you how many you answered, how many you got correct, how many you got incorrect, your percentage, and it's going to list all of the different problems that you had to answer. You could use this app in a classroom, as well as the students using it at home with their parents, and the parents could email the results back to the teacher. The next app I'm going to show you is Visual Anatomy. Visual Anatomy app. This app can be used in a health class or a science class. It has diagrams of every part of the body, the muscles, the skeleton, the nerves, the organs, and more. We're going to start with the skeleton. We use this green button up here. You can rotate your skeleton around. If you click on a blue, it's going to tell you what the name of that bone is and give you a description down below. If you click on the question mark, it takes away the name, so you can use this for studying. We're going to go to the muscles, and again it has that to where you can rotate the body around. You can click on a muscle, and now you can click the I button, and it's going to give you additional information on that muscle. This app also has 3D organs, where you can see what the organs look like. You can move them around, where they are in the body. And again, this one is, you can also click on it, click the eye, and get additional information. You can use this app in a classroom to help teach the students. They can see up close what each part of the body looks like and where it is in the body. The teachers could also use the pictures for quizzes. The students could also download this app to their phones to help them study and better understand what each part of the body does. The next app I'm going to show you is the Graphing Calculator app. Different apps for the graphing calculator. I picked 3 to show. Each one of them has a different perk, but they all give the student the ability to help them with their assignment. The student can download these apps and now be able to finish their homework at home instead of taking up class time because they don't have their own graphing calculator. The first one I'm going to show you, whenever you have the ability to graph, whenever you graph it, you can take that graph and take a snapshot of it. That way the students can save their work. The second one I'm going to show you has the ability to do more complicated problems so that they don't have to stress over the simple things. They just hit enter and they'll get an answer. And the last one I'm going to show you is one where the keyboard is just more user-friendly and it has more functions. You can click on second and it's going to pull up certain things. Also, it has the ability to take a decimal and change it into a fraction. And the last app I'm going to show you is Homework. The Homework app main menu. This is an online planner for students and teachers. We all know that most high school students have smartphones. They have their phones with them 24/7. The school does give them planners to use, but we all know that most of them just keep them in their backpack or lose them. With this app, they can just check their phone to see what's due. The first thing they're going to have to do when they come on here is go to Subjects, type in all their classes they have. They can do this by going to the plus sign. They do the subject, they can change the colors, fill in all the additional information. The second thing they're going to do is put in the school's website. They can go to Settings, to General, and right here is where they're going to type in the school's website. That way they can have the school's website at a touch of a button. Now if they need to get on to their teacher's website or to get something off of this website, it's right there for them. The next thing is now we start adding homework. If it is an exam, we just hit this little box right here. That'll make it into an exam. If not, we can have that unchecked. Type in the subject, whatever you want. Here's the chapter, the page, and a description. If they want an alarm, they click this button and they can change the time and date to whenever they want it to notify them. Up here at the top, if they click this one, it's going to show them all their homework assignments that are due. This next one is all the exams that they have. You can even do it by day or by week. If it flashes like that, that means it's an exam, and it also has the little exclamation point. The homework has the pencil next to it. And if the students need to contact their teacher, they can click on this and they can email straight from their phone. In conclusion, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. You can find all of these apps on your smartphone or tablet. Thank you for taking the time to watch.